folks, Aaron here from Bean Sprout. I have a tenor scale banjo uke to show you today, number 1035. This is all walnut and pistachio. And walnut gives a really long sustain for a banjo instrument. I like how the pistachio looks with it, especially up here where I've got this like gray-green dark pistachio. And a little bit uncommon for a banjo uke, it's got low fourth string, a low G. And it's been fun to rearrange my pieces to suit it today as I've been picking it. Synthetic head, little walnut bridge there, and it's got an armrest too.